Think about it. Allah begins this surah with an oath, by time. Not by the mountains, not by the stars, not by the oceans, but by time. Why? Because time is the most valuable thing you're losing every single second. That's not just poetic, it's personal. You're not just watching time pass, you are time passing. After a long day of binge-watching shows or endless scrolling, have you ever felt that subtle emptiness, that strange guilt at 2 a.m.? Surah Al-Asr gives that feeling a voice. It whispers to your soul, this isn't why you were created. And it hurts, because deep down you know it's true. Binge-watching numbs your brain. It gives you cheap dopamine. But Surah Al-Asr feeds something deeper. It reminds you, you weren't made for constant noise. You were made for meaning. In a world designed to keep you distracted, this surah is a pause button for your soul. You could be surrounded by people or entertainment, but still feel hollow. That's the loss Allah speaks of. Not material loss, but the slow fading of who you were meant to become. This surah doesn't scold you, it saves you. It's like someone gently shaking you awake from a beautiful nightmare. Then Allah gives the exception. Except those who believe and do righteous deeds and enjoin truth and patience. Notice what He doesn't say. It doesn't say famous or rich or perfect. It says, believe, do good, speak truth, be patient. No filters, no algorithms, just timeless values that nourish the soul. Imam Al-Shafi'i said something remarkable about this surah. If people were to reflect upon this surah alone, it would suffice them. Just 3 verses. But they contain the entire message of the Quran. It doesn't just teach you time management, it teaches you life management. Surah Al-Asr is not just a chapter, it's a compass. In a world of noise, it's a whisper from Allah saying, come back to what matters, before time runs out. All it asks is that you pause, reflect, and realign your heart before more time slips away. Now imagine this. You remind someone to reflect on their time. They reduce their distractions. They turn back to Salah. They start giving, forgiving, changing. And every step they take toward Allah is written in your scale too. That is Sadaqah Jariyah, ongoing charity. Not just by donating money, but by planting truth in a heart. Surah Al-Asr is just 3 verses, but it can save a soul. And if someone changes because you reminded them, that change follows you into your grave like light. Even after you're gone, the reward keeps flowing. By time. Allah swears by time because time is not just precious, it's disappearing. And with it, so are we. All those hours we spent chasing dunya, binge-watching shows, endlessly scrolling, fighting battles that didn't matter. And then you read, indeed, mankind is in loss. Suddenly, it's not just a verse, it's a mirror. It doesn't take a Netflix series to change you. Just 3 verses. Open your Quran, read Surah Al-Asr today, let it be your compass, and share this with someone who needs to hear it before more time slips away.